Okay.
Hi neighbors, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. My name is Jerry. Today we are making dump cake. Very quick, very simple, very delicious. It's as per request of the camera guy here, my son Casey. So I'm just gonna grab a can opener. And so what you'll need is a baking dish, say about 9 by 13, or you could do a little smaller. A can of sliced peaches in syrup, adds to the tastiness. If they're not sliced, like mine, these are halves, I'm going to slice them. A stick of butter, unsalted, or 8 tablespoons of margarine. And a golden or white cake mix. I am. 2 hours later. Whoa. Why am I having so much trouble with my can? Oh well, it'll come out. Now, you need them to be slices, so if you got the slices, can of slices, even better. However, I don't. So with clean hands, we slice this up. There's so many varieties of this dump cake out there. You can use cherry pie filling mixed with crushed pineapple and put chocolate cake mix on top. Is good with the margarine or butter drizzled. Or you can put apple pie filling with this, and that would be delicious as well. So we want to spread out those sliced peaches in the pan with the syrup, like I say. It looks like a lot of liquid, but that's what's going to help. That's what's going to help cook the cake mix. I'll just get this in the way. So it's almost similar to a peach cobbler. I'm going to get a pair of scissors behind you there, okay? So if I could open it like this.
Alright.
Okay. We're just going to, this is why they call it dump cake. You're just dumping this stuff. It's I don't know how, dump doesn't sound appetizing, but it is. Yeah, so we just keep going. All the cake mix is in there. So just like a golden box of cake mix, or a white cake mix.
Interesting.
So just want to cover up the peaches as best as you can. Okay. And now I am going to dollop the margarine on top. Like I say, you can definitely use butter, but unsalted butter. However, I'm using margarine.
And how much margarine?
I used this is a little bit more than 8 tablespoons. So it'd be but almost a half a cup.
But if it was salted butter?
Oh, don't put salted in there. You don't want salted.
Oh.
It could be unsalted butter.
Unsalted?
You could use a stick of it. Or 8 tablespoons as well.
Okay.
So you want to have this all over because the butter is going to melt and give this sort of golden topping on top of the peaches. And then you put whipped cream or ice cream with it, and it's delicious.
Do you have ice cream?
No, but I have whipped cream.
Okay, cool.
I'll make whipped cream. So, yeah, and I like doing little pieces everywhere. So, with clean hands, of course. Anyway, we're all into the habit of washing our hands a gazillion times now. If we don't have clean hands, that'd be strange. Hey, Casey.
Yeah.
Okay. Now my oven is preheated to 350, and we put this on the lower rack in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour. check on it at about the 45-minute mark because you want to see if it's all like golden. You'll get some bubbling around the sides from the syrup and the peaches and the juices, and then it'll turn this nice golden color. So when it's at that point, you could be done at 45 minutes. Depends on your oven, so it could take you an hour. So slide that on there. And when that's done, we'll take you back, show you what it looks like, and we'll whip up some whipped cream topping. So see you in a bit. Hello. Hi, welcome back. So it took about 50 minutes in the on 350 in the oven, and have a looky there.
It smells
It smells fantastic.
amazing, yeah.
It does, doesn't it? It smells so delicious. So we made some whipped topping to put on the side. It tastes great with ice cream. So now we want to have a taste. Oh, what I have to do. I have to taste it. Anywho. Take a little bit of the crispy topping. A little bit of peach. It's a little hot because we just took it out of the oven. Mmm. That's really good. You're going to really enjoy this.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, I hope that I hope everybody makes it. It is so good. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. In a little bit, we're going to be cooking up something, and hope that you join us for that. Take care, and God bless.
Bye.
Bye.